Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the device model and iOS version because method steps differ. Once done, back up to iCloud or a computer so you can restore data if needed. Make sure you know the Apple ID, password, and the device passcode. You will need them for authentication. If you don't remember the Apple ID password, start account recovery simultaneously. Now open Settings and navigate directly to Screen Time to begin the passcode reset flow. You tap Change Screen Time Passcode and then choose Forgot Passcode, because this triggers account authentication. Next, sign in with the Apple ID used to set screen time. This proves ownership and lets the system remove the old passcode. Follow the on-screen prompts to authenticate. This may involve two-factor verification, so be ready for a code on a trusted device. Once authenticated, create a new passcode and confirm it. This replaces the forgotten code without erasing your data. If Apple ID recovery isn't possible, you can restore the device using Finder or iTunes and set it up as new. Note this erases data unless you have a backup. Once you regain access, review screen time settings and reapply limits deliberately because restored defaults may differ. Make sure family sharing or parental controls are correct to avoid repeats. If you still can't remove the passcode, contact Apple support. Provide the device serial and proof of ownership, and they'll guide hardware-linked recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.